Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Wi-Fi Panorama Camera. First, carefully unbox your new camera and confirm all accessories are included, such as the power adapter and mounting hardware. Next, download the dedicated mobile application to your smartphone or tablet. This app is essential for control. Finally, plug in your camera and power it on, then observe the indicator light for its initial setup status. Now, let's connect your camera to your home Wi-Fi network. Launch the mobile application and select the option to add a new device. The app will guide you through the pairing process, which often involves scanning a QR code on the camera or listening for an audio prompt. Choose your Wi-Fi network from the list, input your password, and ensure the camera is within about 10 meters of your router for a stable connection. For optimal performance, mount your panorama camera at a height of approximately 2.5 to 3 meters. This elevation provides the widest possible field of view, often covering 360 degrees horizontally. Within the app, you can access advanced features such as two-way audio communication, allowing you to speak through the camera, and customizable motion detection zones for security alerts. To maximize your camera's utility, consider setting up continuous recording to a local SD card or subscribing to a cloud storage plan for off-site backup. It's also crucial to periodically check the mobile application for any available firmware updates, which can enhance performance and security. Finally, maintain clear image quality by gently cleaning the camera's lens with a soft, dry cloth every few months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.